Hello friends and welcome back once again into our channel. This is Pandey here. So today I'm here to talk with you guys regarding the tax matters in Australia. I'm a registered tax agent in Australia. So today what I'm going to talk to you guys is about the individual tax returns and the various other structures of tax where you can save your taxes. I know most of the guys lodge the tax returns themselves, but it's always good to hire a tax agent services where a professional tax agent will always help you to maximize your tax refund, and in such a way you will get your tax benefits higher. So as I said, I'm going to talk to you about the tax returns in Australia. So when anyone arrives in Australia, irrespective of the visa criteria, whether you're on working visa, whether you're a permanent resident, or whether you're a student visa, you have to get a tax file number and lodge your tax returns every year. The financial year in Australia, it runs from 1st of July till 30th of June every year. So now at the moment we are lodging the tax returns for 1st of July 2020 till 30th of June 2021. Which I said the due date is 31st of October. So for the individual tax returns in Australia, there are various brackets, tax brackets. So if you earn say 18,200 till 18,200, it's tax free. From 18,200 to 45,000, it's 19%, and from 45,000 till 120, it's 32.5%, and from 120 and 180,000, it's 37%, and once you earn above 180,000, it's 45%. That was the tax rates for the individuals. Now if you'll ask me about the company tax rate is 26%, which is flat. The flat in the sense, whatever is your profit, you have to pay 26%. Say if you earn, your net profit is say $1, you have to pay 26 cents of a tax on that profit. So that was the company. So let's talk about the individual tax returns. So to maximize your tax refund, there are various ways where you can maximize your tax refund. There are various deductions depending upon your profession, of course. The very first is the motor vehicle expense, then comes the other work-related expenses, then comes the traveling expenses, then comes the donations. The donations, if you're made to a DGR, then only it's acceptable, then only it's deductible. Then the super contribution, when you're making the super contribution, you are eligible to claim a tax. So what is negative gearing? If you have an investment property, from there comes the negative gearing, and it helps a lot to maximize your tax refund. We can discuss that. If you need any help, you can contact and get the advice. Then comes the shares. So if you have a huge capital losses, when you get the capital discounts, when you can offset the huge capital losses, we can talk about that as well. To maximize your tax refund, there are various tax offsets which ATO has introduced this year and last year as well. There are like small business tax offset, low and middle income tax offset, low income tax offsets. So when you do your tax return yourselves, you're not aware of these tax offsets and where to apply and maximize your tax refund. So it's always good to contact a professional tax agent who can help you to maximize your tax refunds and get these tax offsets. Then coming back to the various structures which you can form and maximize your tax refunds. There is a company, you can form a company and run a small business. You can form a unit trust. You can form a family trust, you can form a partnership and maximize your tax refunds. So if you need any help, I'm always here to help you guys. Anytime you can contact and get the advice. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में टैक्सेस का क्या फॉर्मेट है. ऑफ कोर्स आप कोई भी वीज़ा पे यहाँ जब अराइव करते हैं, whether you are TR, whether you're PR, whether you're student or whether you're working visa, आपको tax file number लेना होता है and you have to start lodging your tax returns from there. There is always a fine and penalty if you don't lodge your tax returns on time. So it's always good to lodge your tax returns on time and before the due date. अगर आपको कोई भी advice चाहिए tax returns से related, tax matters से related, सो आप कभी भी कॉन्टॅक्ट कर सकते हैं. आय एम ऑलवेज हिअर टू हेल्प यू गाईज. जास्तीत जास्त कर परतावा देण्यासाठी तुम्ही माझ्याशी कधीही संपर्क साधू शकता. मी तुमच्या मदतीसाठी इथे आहे. So you guys can contact me anytime. I'm always here to help you guys. My contact details are given. Please contact me anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.